Hello and welcome to this video tour of number 48 Headley Road here in central Woodley. So first of all, let me just show you Headley Road. So this is one of the roads that will take you towards Woodley Shopping Centre. That's one angle and that's the other angle down the road. So let me just show you the property itself, beginning with the frontage. You can see we've got parking for a number of cars here. There is a side access that takes you to the rear garden. So let's take you inside to the entrance hall. Typical double fronted, originally 1930s built is my best guess. So the access through to the kitchen there, we've got a door to a bedroom here. But first of all, let's just take you to the right and to the lounge dining room. First of all, we have a bay window at the front. And then, there you go. Got a nice lounge dining room. So this property has gas radiator heating. As you'll see as we walk around, this will be considered a bit of a project for someone because there is a good amount of work required to this property. So this is the bedroom here at the front with a bay window again and full-length mirrored wardrobes there. So back into the hallway and towards the end. This archway here takes you into the kitchen breakfast room, which is actually quite a good size. It's an L-shaped room. Units to the left and ahead of me there. We have a side aspect window. The windows are double glazed sealed units. And then this goes around the corner here through to another reception room at the back. I'll just point out the door here. That takes you to a staircase, which I'll show you in a moment. So through the rear lobby here, we have a door taking you into the garden. Door on the left to the bathroom, but first of all, let me just show you this room here. Like an extra room, dining room, sitting room with the patio doors there to the rear garden. And on my right hand side, archway taking you back into the lounge diner. So finally on this level, we have the bathroom here. So we've got the panel bath there with the shower end. The low level WC wash basin there. That's a rear aspect frosted window to the right. Okay, so that's the ground floor of this property. Let's now step through this doorway here. So this takes you to it's basically a loft conversion. So what we have up here, it's kind of two loft rooms, one leading through to the other. See a radiator on the right hand side there. So this door takes you through to a second room. And with a dormer window on the right hand side there. That gives you an idea again how this links from the other side, and you can see the staircase there. Just give you we will go down the garden, but just to give you a quick look at the garden here, as you can see, there is work to be done on the garden, but it's a big plot. Let's make our way downstairs now, and I'll show you the rear garden. I'm not sure the loft conversions are official bedrooms. That's something that would probably need some attention to bring it up to building regs. But now let's focus on the garden. Let's just take a walk towards the end. Long garden, circa 100 feet I would guess. So this is the very end, as you can see, and then if I spin round, you'll then see the rear of this property. So a lot of potential, priced accordingly, to be fair. given the work that's required, but great possibility to own a chalet bungalow very close to Woodley shopping centre. So if you have any questions, my name is Gary. Please do call the number on the website. In the meantime, if anyone would like to take a look inside this property, we will be doing viewings, so do let us know and we'll arrange your appointment. Thanks for watching.